In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circle arrow process in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to create a clean and professional looking circular flowchart can really elevate your slides. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This may seem obvious, but ensuring your software is up to date can make a big difference in the tools available and their functionality. If you've already prepared a presentation and you're adding this to an existing slide, go ahead and open that presentation as well. Once you have your presentation ready, navigate to the specific slide where you want to create your circle arrow process. Now, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This tab provides a range of options to innovate your slides with various elements like images, charts, and most importantly, shapes. Clicking on the Shapes drop-down will give you a library of options. These are the building blocks of your design. Within this Shapes menu, search for the arc option. It might be nestled alongside other lines and shaped connectors, but it's crucial for our next step. Once you've selected the arc, draw it on your slide. Don't worry if your initial drawing doesn't look quite right. This is just the starting point for your circular arrow. With the arc on your slide, you'll see a small yellow dot. This allows you to manipulate the arc into a perfect circle. Carefully adjust the yellow dot until your arc transforms into a smooth circle. This step is key for creating a consistent, visually appealing process shape. Once your circle is set, it's time to add an arrowhead. Head back to the Insert tab, click on the Shapes drop down once more. This time choose a triangle shape, which will serve as the arrowhead. Draw this shape onto your slide. You can resize and rotate the triangle as needed until it fits neatly onto the end of your circular arc, truly resembling an arrow. If needed, tweak the sizes of both the circle and the triangle until everything aligns perfectly. Resizing these elements can help maintain proportionality, ensuring that your final graphic doesn't appear lopsided. There you have it, a clear and straightforward way to create a circle arrow process in PowerPoint. This graphic is perfect for illustrating cycles, iterative processes, or any concept that benefits from a circular flow. As you apply this technique, remember to consider the color scheme and overall aesthetic of your presentation to ensure consistency across your slides. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. See you in the next video.